Guys, hi guys, welcome back to Kadi, and this is Vlogmas video. So guys, I want to share with you what is in my YouTube bag, gift bag.
History, music, culture, tourism, and lifestyle. This is Kadi, and Kadi means stay alive. Stay alive to know your history, to see the world through tourism, to see culture, to listen to music, and have fun. Remember to like, to share, to subscribe to my channel, and check out my other videos. Thank you.
I went for a YouTube blog program on my channel. You can check my video for that full video. So this is the gift bag that we're giving, and I just want to share with you guys what is inside. So first of all, we got a cap, guys, Ebola art, which is so cute. Okay, and then we also got this and this. This is a wow, a selfie stick slash tripod, guys. This is so nice. Okay, and then you can, open it like this, and then it has like here, okay, which is pretty nice. So it's a selfie stick slash tripod stand, and then it has lights that you can on here and turn off. Okay, this is really good. Thank you, YouTube Black. And then we also have YouTube Black mug, guys, which is super amazing, and I'm already in love with it, and I can't wait to use it, guys. So this is it, guys. YouTube Black cup. Okay, it's branded. So these are the three things, or rather four things. So these are the four things from the YouTube Black gift card. That's the mug, the bowler art, the tote bag, and then the tripod. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. Do remember to like, to share, to subscribe, to the notification button. I'll see you amazing people in my next video. Bye guys.